do that well, you know. Always gonna run on this Irwin team. So as I say the game plan, get a goal first half, finish the first half 1-0, come back second half, we try to get an early goal again to really kill the game, as you would say. And I think we do as much to really get the 3 points from this game today.
Okay, what are your plans moving forward?
As always, you know, just to win game. Different opponent, different strategy, you know, different game plan, probably different system, you know. And you have to set the thing based on the team you're going up against. And as it is now, I think it is shaping up, you know. It is shaping up and we have to do what we have to do moving forward.
Disappointed in scoring amount of goals based off the amount of chance created?
No, you know, because we just need to win this game today and we are satisfied with what happened today.
I noticed on the bench you're a little bit frustrated with some of your players out there. They looked a little bit flat in the first half, but I guess that first goal ignited the momentum. Talk to me about it.
Yes, you know, as a coach, you never relax because you always see something that you think the players can do better or should be doing. So that's just a coaching instinct.
Thank you so much.